Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new Ipsy unboxing bagging for you. This one is coming a little bit late. They send them to me a little late and I'm a little frustrated about that, but what are you gonna do? So this is June's Ipsy Glam Bag, the full-sized one that I paid $25 a month for, and they send me 5 full-size products that I like to test out. So let's get started. Here is the cute bag. Still not quite sure what to do with these little Santa kind of duffel bags that I have. I don't know, maybe they'd be handy for traveling. Anyway, okay, so first item is aloe propolis soothing gel, dermatology tested by Benton. It's 100 milliliters. This would have come in handy like a week ago for my boys that went to like a youth conference for church, and then they ended up getting massively burnt, especially on their noses. So there it is. All right, let's take that off. And it is clear, as you can see. Doesn't look like any specific color. Doesn't smell like anything either. So I'll have to test this out because I do have a little bit of a burn on the back of my neck from having my hair up when I went and did some sourcing the other day. So there's item number 1. Item number 2 is Lip Fuel Hyaluronic Lip Balm by Cosa Sport. As you can see, it says energizing wild mint stimulates the senses to increase mental agility and boost motivation. Okay, that's a little tear open pouch. Not so big on the mint, so I guess we'll see. So let's see how you open this. How does that work? Look at that. You like turn it or something? Let's try. Oh! What the crap? That's a lip balm, but it's this different color. Okay. It is like a mint kind of color, and I have to pull that back down. That's what that was. It's always nice when you know what something is before you open it. Now it looks all crazy. I'm gonna have to wipe it down. That is a great color though. I'm not huge on mint, so I'm not sure how much I'll actually use this. I'm one of those people that's really sensitive to certain smells like peppermint, eucalyptus, lavender, those sorts of things. And so I'm a very big fruity smell kind of person because of that. So I might end up giving this to one of my sisters, but I'm not sure on that one yet. So that is the second item. Not in there, it's in the bag. All right, item number 3 is K-Voss Blushing Beauty Luminous Blush Palette. There we go. We are going to open this up. Looks like it has Cora, Rosy, and Peaches. That's what it shows on the back. Sometimes I hate opening stuff. Yes, it's in there all snug. And it gets kind of irritating. Okay. There we go. There's the container. Those are some very good colors, especially for my skin tone. So I will definitely be trying those out. I've only used so far like the first one that I got in one of my first Ipsys, my first Ipsy video. I use that blush pretty much every day. And sometimes instead of using eyeshadow, I actually use it on my eyes also, just because it's very quick and easy. So let's put those packages down there. Definitely liking this one. Okay, fourth item is by Tarte. It's the Concealer, Hydro Sealer Concealer. Okay. It might be something I need to use. That's something I'm in the market for. I've never been really big on wearing stuff on my face other than just super basic, but I do have still these under eye problems that I'm dealing with. And so I need to kind of look in the market of concealers and things like that that would be super easy to use, not cakey, and not be able to tell that I have them on and can help kind of hide these under eye areas. So this one does have a really neat container. And it looks like twists off. And it looks like it's a pretty good match. So I will have to try that one out and see how well it works. All right, last item. And then I will be doing the review of all of the items I got in my Glam Bag X, the big size one that you only get like every, I think it's 4 months, and it's like $59 instead of $25, and I'll let you guys know what I thought about all those items. Okay, last item is a Maypillum coriander seed and marjoram eye cream. And it looks like it says instructions: apply a small amount around the eyes day and night. So let's see how that smells. Pull the little thing off and try not to get squirted. Oh, 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 it's trying to come out. Oh, stop coming out. I'm not so sure on this one. It squirted out like right away. Okay, let's see how it feels on my hand. It takes a second for it to rub in, but then it starts to feel a little smooth. So I will definitely have to try this one out. Let's get the extra off of there and see how that one works for me. So that's it for June's Ipsy bag. I'm going to now do a review for the items that I received in last month's bag, and the first of which I don't have the container anymore because I used it. So it's for the Olaplex number 0 hair repair treatment. I did have the number 3 already that my sister had got for me because of how my hair was fried from that perm, and she thought it would help. So I used the 0 and the 3 together. Unfortunately, even after 2 different treatments within a week, it didn't seem to improve my hair any. I don't know if that could be different if my hair wasn't so damaged because of the color treatment and then the perm on top of it. But it may be different for other people, and it may also be different once I don't have color treated and permed hair. So that was the first item that I ended up getting and using. So the second item that I got in that Glam Bag X was this Pink Diamond Cleansing Balm by Radial. This was a very difficult one to deal with. As you saw in my last video, if you watched it, if not, go ahead and go back, because this, they're not kidding when they say cleansing balm. See, like, it is very, I'm squeezing the crap out of it and it's barely coming out. I literally had to get actually a dental tool and shove it in there and kind of like swirl it around to get it to come out at all. And then not only was that difficult, and that was after kneading this a little bit to kind of soften it up, I went to put it on my face, used it exactly how the instructions said, and then afterwards, you know, wiped it and rinsed it off however it told me to, and it seemed to leave like this residue on my face. I did not enjoy it. I ended up scrubbing my face with my normal stuff and my exfoliator to get that feeling off. And so this is not one that I would recommend. It may work for other people, but it definitely did not work for me. So the third item that I got was this 111 Skin Radiance Booster. And I have used it a few times. I don't see that it makes a huge difference. I do like the formula. It does seem like it's very shimmery. However, I tried using some of it on my skin this morning, just kind of mixed in with my moisturizer. I didn't really see much of a difference than what it would normally look like. It does seem like a great idea. The container's cute, the formula looks pretty, but that's about it. So aesthetically, as far as the product itself, looks great. Use, I really don't give it that great of a review because I don't feel like it was something that I would go and purchase myself. It looks great and everything, but the use of it is just not very useful for me. So the fifth item that I got was this Aesology Overnight Lip Mask. And as you may have heard on my last video, I did talk extensively about how it didn't really make a lot of sense to me doing it while you're sleeping because, I mean, I don't sleep just on my back. I roll around a lot, and so that doesn't seem like it works very well, and it didn't, to be perfectly honest. So it is this clear stuff. The formula seems great and everything. It smells great. You know, it's very refreshing and all of that, but it just, you know, I'm a squirmer. And so it just didn't seem to work very well for me. It was completely rubbed off by the time I woke up. I didn't really see that it made a huge difference in the way that my lips felt. I did use it for one entire week straight to give it more of a chance, and I didn't see any improvement in my lips, in the moisture in them, in how they had any dead skin on them, anything like that. So yet again, something I probably would not buy again, and something I would not specifically recommend. All right, so one of the next items that I got was this Tower 28 lip stuff, and I did use this probably a total of 5 or 6 times. I don't normally wear this kind of stuff on a day-to-day basis. I have used it to go over my lip balm for church or if I'm going out with my husband. I do love this color, and it is Cashew. It's called Cashew. How does that look like cashew? They're really running out of names, aren't they? Okay, so I would definitely recommend this one. The applicator is great, has a great applicator, works really good. The formula is nice and smooth. It's very moisturizing, and so that is one I would definitely recommend. The next item I got in that bag is this Gusha, I can't remember the name, guys. This rose quartz stone. I did look this up online, and I've done it a couple of times so far. I do need to do it more regularly to see if it actually helps as much as they're saying that it should. There's tons of YouTubers that have done this, and it's like, it's very cooling. If your face is inflamed and stuff, I can see how people can use it like that. Like I said in my last video, that was my immediate reaction to looking at it, was that, hey, that would help with inflammation. So, but what you're actually supposed to do is get some serum oil or some facial oil, rub that all over your face and your neck, and then you use this in certain ways like this, where you run it up here and then you go like that. Or they have ones where you go like this, and they're saying that it's supposed to help with your lymph nodes and stuff like that. When you get overwhelmed with fluid, it kind of helps to drain it out of your face so you're not looking puffy, and all sorts of things like that with circulation and the tightness of your skin, that kinds of stuff. So I will definitely keep trying to use this and see if it improves over time. So the next item, 2 more items on my review list. This one is by RMS Beauty, and it is the Demure Lip to Cheek. So this is something that you can use on your lips and your cheeks. I have used it a couple of times. It's a great pinky kind of color, and I definitely like it. The formula is nice and smooth. As you can see, it does leave a nice little pinky color to it. And I do use it every once in a while, so I do like the color. I feel like it's a great container, great formula, and it's definitely become a useful tool in my makeup arsenal, you know. So, and the last item, I haven't used this one as much as I would think. It's the One Size Palette by Patrick Star Visionary. I just realized that. Patrick Star, as in SpongeBob SquarePants. Patrick Star. Yeah. Okay, that just hit me. It didn't. I don't know why I didn't notice that before. Anyway, I have used it a little bit, as you can see. I wanted to try out the powdery everywhere. The certain specific ones, like the rose gold one and the Manila Sands one. Those are the ones. That's the rose gold and that's the Manila Sands, because I like to do that inside my eyes right there. I haven't tried any of the other ones as of yet. I will be trying to experiment with those, but it is nice to have some different colors so you have some different options, especially considering the changing in seasons and stuff like that. So anyway, hopefully you guys like this video. If you did and you like this kind of stuff, go ahead and hit the thumbs up for me. As you may have noticed, one of the kinds of videos I normally do are resale videos, because that is my main business. However, I do recently like to dabble in this kind of stuff because I am learning all of this all over again after having my boys old enough that I can finally get back into concentrating on myself a little bit more and doing more self-care. So anyway, if you guys like this, go ahead and hit the thumbs up and hit that bell notification so you can be aware every time I upload a new video. And I will talk to you guys in the next one. Love y'all. Bye.